Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi Q3 headrest, only way. Press the small release button under the headrest while supporting the post with your other hand, then lift straight up firmly. Start by moving the seat to its lowest position to access the release. If the button feels stuck, wiggle slightly while pulling up. Keep track of any clips and place them in a small tray to avoid losing parts. I'll walk you through the basic tools and prep before you start removing the headrest from an Audi Q3. You only need a flat plastic pry tool, a cloth, and a small tray to hold clips. Protect the upholstery by draping the cloth over the seat back. Work in a well-lit area and keep both hands free for safety. Take photos as you go so reassembly is easy and stress-free. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. I love a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that reshapes money thinking and builds confidence. It pairs surprisingly well with careful car maintenance and budgeting for repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals I found, and consider grabbing a copy if you want a nudge towards smarter money choices. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will explain the step-by-step removal process so you can remove the headrest safely and quickly. Start by lowering the seat and pushing the headrest down until the release button is visible. Press the release button while pulling the headrest straight up. Do not rock it side to side. If resistance persists, check for a hidden latch or use the flat pry tool gently. Store posts and clips together to prevent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.